Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Shoe Freak. I hope you guys all are doing good. So friends, in today's video you are going to see many more ideas of blue heels, and in this video I will tell you more about blue heels. So let's start our video. So blue heels are a type of footwear characterized by their blue color and high heel design. Like green heels, they come in various styles and designs, making them a versatile fashion choice. So here are details about blue heels. First point we are going to discuss is design and style. So blue heels can be found in a wide range of designs and styles. They may feature different heel heights such as wedges, stilettos, block heels or kitten heels. So the shoe style can range from pumps to sandals, boots and more. Next point we will going to discuss is materials. So blue heels can be made from a variety of materials include patent leather, fabric, leather or synthetic materials. The choice of materials affects both the shoe's appearance and comfort. So next point we will going to discuss is occasions. So blue heels are suitable for a variety of occasions. They can add a touch of elegance to formal events such as weddings, parties or business meetings. So they can also be incorporated into casual outfits to create a chic and vibrant look. And next point we are going to discuss is matching outfits. So coordinating blue heels with your outfit is important. They can complement various colors, including white, black, grey, or even other shades of blue. The choice of clothing and accessories plays a crucial role in achieving a balanced and stylish look. Next point we are going to discuss is comfort. High heels are not always the most comfortable footwear. Factors like ease are supporting, heel shape, and cushioning should be considered to ensure a comfortable fit, especially if you plan to wear them for long periods. So next point is we will going to discuss is comfort tips. So if you plan to wear blue heels for a long period, consider using insoles or heel cushions to enhance comfort. So additionally, practice walking in them to improve stability and balance. So blue heels are a versatile and stylish choice of footwear that can be worn for various occasions. They come in a variety of designs, materials and heel heights, offering their personal fashion sense. So friends, I hope you like this video.